Good day, everyone. We're coming on the air to bring you a major development of the battle against the COVID-19 pandemic. A key FDA advisory committee has just voted to recommend emergency use authorization for the Pfizer vaccine, the first COVID vaccine to pass this crucial test in the United States. And it comes as the country reaches a grim new milestone, more than 3,000 deaths from the virus yesterday alone. That's a new one-day record. We want to go to Tom Costello now, who's been following the committee's deliberations all day. Tom, what does this recommendation mean, and how soon could it lead to Americans starting to be vaccinated?
Well, it could happen pretty quickly. So this is an outside advisory panel. They now are going to send that recommendation to the full FDA, and the full FDA will then make a determination about whether to approve this Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine. And once it does that, and it could happen within a day, 2, 3, we're not sure yet, but within 24 hours of that FDA decision, we expect that the trucks will start rolling and moving the vaccine out of Pfizer's freezer farms that are in Wisconsin and also in Michigan. They'll be using FedEx and UPS to really fast track this vaccine all over the country. But that statistic that you just cited was critical. 3,000 deaths right now. And the discussion all day has been, when you weigh the benefits of this vaccine at 95% efficacy against 3,000 deaths a day, it simply doesn't make any sense not to go forward with this. Now, the vote on this was 17-4, so 17 in favor of the vaccine moving forward and 4 not in favor. The concerns out there are the following, and we should make the point. These are concerns, and there's always a concern about any sort of a drug or a vaccine. But the concerns are about 16 and 17-year-olds in particular, about adolescents. They want more studies on the effect of this vaccine on teenagers, on adolescents, also on pregnant women. Some discussion about those 2 cases in the UK where people had significant allergic reactions to the vaccine, but only 2 that we're aware of in an anaphylactic type of reaction. Some concern about doing more research on that. And then also about whether they should stop the placebo, those folks getting a placebo in this ongoing study. Stop that. Give those people the vaccine because, of course, it works. If you do that, though, then you undermine your science that you're continuing to try to pursue with the placebo on the full study. The bottom line here is that this vaccine is going forward. Americans are very likely to start getting vaccinated within days now.
All right, Tom, thank you. Let's pick up on that point. I'll bring in NBC Chief Medical Correspondent Dr. John Torres. John, what other steps need to take place before people begin rolling up sleeves?
So, Lester, it's like Tom said, the VRPAC, this committee met, they're advising that they go ahead and forward with the emergency use authorization. The FDA will now look at that, take that under advisement. Most likely, most experts predict they're going to go ahead and get that emergency use authorization. They're going to approve that. But then the next step is the CDC meets. They have an advisory committee called ACIP. It's the Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices. They're going to meet, and they're now going to go ahead and recommend who gets the shot, how much dosing they get, the interval between the dosing on that. They're going to make those specifics. Once that happens, the CDC will take that under advisement and most likely go ahead and recommend that as well. And that's when shots in arms will start, because now the authorization looks like it's going to go through from the FDA. But now after that, we're going to get clinicians out there wondering, okay, how do we do this? At what dosing? That's where the CDC steps in and gives them that information, Lester.
Hey, NBC News viewers, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here, and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.